Hey everyone, this is Natalie with the Safe Harbor team, and today I want to talk about something really exciting. So, as you all know by now, our consumer app is now live. So, I'm going to be making a few different videos um, showing you everything you need to know about this app, how to use it, what it looks like when the consumer is using it, how you can see everything they're doing on the back end, and all of that fun stuff. So this video specifically is where to find your personalized URL. If someone doesn't use your personal URL to download this app, it will not be branded to you. They will have to go in and connect you as their agent to pull up all of your information. And also to be able to send you messages or listings and all of that. So whenever you send it to them, you don't want to just tell them to download the app. You want to tell them to, you just want to send them your URL. So you're going to go over here on the left-hand sidebar all the way down to consumer, which used to be sites. Click on that. It's a little bit slow today, probably because everyone's trying this out at the same time, but bear with me. Really slow. There we go. Okay, so over on the right hand side you will see site and app settings. Click that. Now you're going to open up this page, go over here to URLs. Okay, so here's your app URL. You could copy it here and you can open up your messages and send it. I would probably just text it to myself, and that way I always have it and I can copy and paste it, put it in my notes maybe on my phone. Or you can have people text this code to this number. That would work as well. So I'm just going to show you what happens when when whoever you send this to goes to this link. All right, so this is what will pop up. You'll see here that it is branded to Pete Formica, who is our team leader here. And they can click on the App Store or Google Play if they have an Android. And then they could also text this to this number, and the link to the app will be sent directly to their phone in case they're on a desktop. They could also just put their number in here, and it'll be sent automatically once you click Send Link. Yeah, so that's pretty much all you need to know about the URL. Stay tuned for some more videos on what the app looks like, how to use it, what are all the different features, and then another one on where to see people's interactions within the app on the back end through Kelly or Command. Thanks for watching, guys.